This is D.
D.
D is the drum sound.
D.
It comes from our neck and sounds like a drum. It can't stretch into other sounds because we can't hit drums slowly. We can see how quickly D comes by hitting a drum when we make the sound.
D.
D goes into sounds like this.
Da. Do. De.
D goes into words like
D.
drum, dog, duck, and
D.
drive. D's favourite letter is letter D. D loves to go into letter D. Sometimes it's hard to see the difference between B and D, but D and B never mix up their favourite letters.